So this is my inversion table. That's how it looks. It's parked in my bedroom between a closet, my nightstand and the bed. And it kind of, you can put the legs together, folds up in a way. And I don't need a lot of space to store it. And I want to show you how I get it out and how I use it. So number one is, it's too heavy to lift it, especially with my back problem. So I found a way how to move the machine without lifting it. It is really solidly built and has some good tubing, some heavy tubing, which makes me feel safe and secure when I'm on it, but it also creates some weight. So I kind of walk it, I call it. I lean it to one side and put the other side to the front, and then lean it on the other side and tip it forward. Here. And that way I don't have to lift anything at all. So I have it in a position now where I have a little bit of room, and I have to open now and extend this front foot. I lean it backwards, pull it out and set it down. That's it. It's now set up in the way I can use it. I'm going to show you some of the details of this machine, and then I demonstrate you how to use it. So first off, I have here the foot piece. You stand on this platform, lean your calf in this soft foamed holder, and the front comes down, and that's what's holding you up in the air. And you operate this by pushing this down, and then you can move it and release it, and now it's secured in its place. It won't open accidentally. So you push down and move it to the position you want and release it. It's a little bit like a hand emergency brake of a car. So that works really well. One other thing that's really important is you have to adjust it to your height. And I'm about 6'1", but I felt that the balance point was really well working for me at 6'3". So you have a couple inches to play with, but down here is a lever, and you pull it out, and here on the side, up here, there's a pin, and if I pull it out, you can see that the pin is releasing, and I can adjust the height. Let's say I'm going for 6'1" now. Put the pin in, and it's secured. If you're not as tall, you can adjust it to as little as 4'9". That's for young people or people that are not as tall. And I don't know what the maximum is. Shall we find out? What's the maximum that we can do? Aha, 6'9". Now that's a bit too much for me, so I'm gonna go up to... Come on. Here, snapped in at 6'1". What else can I show you about this machine? It has this strap here, and I'm going to show you how this works by going on the back side of the machine. Here again you see the height adjustment mechanism that you can pull and release, and this here is limiting the amount of way it can tip backwards. I will demonstrate that to you from the side. I'm lifting the machine with my hand, and at some point this gets tight, and this is the maximum it can move. Now this is untangled itself. So here's the maximum it moves. And the table is now in an upside down position, where you would have your feet in here and lay on here. And I'm coming up now. And let it go down slowly. And we are back at position 0 where we started.